The SoloGood FPV Monitor features a 4.3-inch screen with a high-definition resolution of 800 by 480 pixels, ensuring a vivid and clear display for drone enthusiasts. Its IPS screen technology provides a superior viewing experience with reduced glare, making it ideal for outdoor use while also being energy efficient. This monitor is designed to automatically search and lock onto signals, offering easy operation and reliable performance across various devices using 5.8 Gigahertz signals. Equipped with dual antennas, it boasts high sensitivity reception, providing a more stable and reliable connection for uninterrupted video feed. The monitor supports a wide voltage range from 5 to 23 volts, allowing flexibility in power sources and extending usage time with backup power options. Included accessories such as a USB cable and XT60 plug cable enhance its versatility and ease of use for a seamless FPV experience.